Good day, I'm Crystal Allen, and today I'm going to edify you on mitosis. Have you ever wondered if you have a cut on your hand or a bruise on your knee, why after a few days you would look down only to realize that the wound is closed or the cut is healed? Do you wonder why we are not the same size or the same height as we were at the age of 5 when we are at the age of 14? What about why our nails grow? All of these things have one thing in common. That's called mitosis. Now, mitosis is a type of cell division or cell duplication that is responsible for the growth and repair of body cells. We wouldn't be able to grow if our cells couldn't duplicate. Now, to repair damaged cells or to replace old cells, the cells surrounding that damaged cell undergo mitosis. Now, in mitosis, cells duplicate exactly as the parent cells. So the daughter cells must look exactly as the parent cells. For example, if you have a cut on your finger and you're replacing skin cells is what will be duplicated and not stomach cells. As we move on, it is important to understand that every cell has something that is called a nucleus. Now within the nucleus, there is called DNA. DNA is our genetic makeup or our genetic information. Whenever these cells are duplicating, those same DNA have to be duplicated as well. Now, our body is made up of thousands of DNA. In order to organize these DNA, they are compiled into what we call chromosomes. Now, each nucleus, which is plural for nuclei, has 46 chromosomes. It therefore means that when these chromosomes split from 42, when these 42 chromosomes split, they split into 92 chromatids. Mitosis takes place in 4 stages. To help you understand these 4 stages or to remember these 4 stages, we are going to come up with an acronym. I would like to say PMAT. PMAT is going to help you to remember the stages in order. So P is for prophase, M for metaphase, A for anaphase, and T for telophase. Initially, cells are at resting stage where they are replicating DNA, growing, and carrying out daily cell functions. This stage is prior to mitosis. It is important. It is an important phase, but it is called interphase. So, in prophase, the chromosomes condense into egg-shaped structures that are called chromatids. In prophase, all the chromosomes condense into egg-shaped structures. We can see all the chromosome 1 coming together and all the chromosome 2 coming together. The duplicated chromosome appear as 2 identical or equal sister chromatids. The second phase, being metaphase, the nucleus envelope disappears. Chromosomes arrange at the center of the cell, forming the cell plate. The centrioles, as you can see here, now are the opposite poles of the cell, with the mitotic spindle fibers extending from them, as you can see here. As we can see here, the mitotic spindle here, metaphase, yes. The mitotic spindle fibers are attached to the chromosomes. In anaphase, we can see the chromatids moving away to opposite sides of the poles as the spindle's fibers contract. Chromatids separate as the cell elongates due to the shortening of spindle fibers. This starts to pull chromatids apart in equal numbers. Now, a complete set of daughter chromosomes is found on each pole. As we move on to telophase, the chromosomes almost fully condense to form new chromatin. It is at this point that cytokinesis begins to occur. Cell membranes inverginate or enclose within the body, and new daughter cells are fully developed. Mitosis is a result of asexual reproduction within cells of the body that functions for growth and repair. It should not be mistaken for meiosis, which is the cell division that aids in reproduction and genetic diversity that occurs mainly in sex cells for the function of reproduction.